start with the name of the God. So today is Monday. So Monday is the first day of the week. So you have two choices Monday. Wake up, get ready, be happy, and go to your job and enjoy your job. Second, by forcefully wake up, by forcefully get ready, and then by forcefully go to the work. Then what happened? They have two difference. At the end of the day, who wake up by love, by heart, and by the choice, who wake up, there's definitely I love my job. So then what happened? At the end of the day, you will get positive and you will get positive result. But who wake up in the forcefully, then what happened? At the whole day he have negative, and at the end of the day he get negativity. So always like this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it's depend of you. If you make your week start positive, you will get positive energy. If you make your day negative, you will get negative energy. Stay tuned for more videos.